Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi Band 8 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smart band from the Android phone. First we need to open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our smart band. So let's open the app by tapping on the icon. Once you open the application, tap on the device icon. And here you should see your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 on the device page. Now scroll through this page, find the Unpair button and tap on it, then tap on Continue to confirm. The band will disappear from the device page and also it will reset itself to the factory default settings. So wait until the resetting process is complete, basically until you see the list of languages on the screen, like this. And at this point the band is unpaired from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.